I'm back in the kitchen one more time again. It's Christmas, guys. It's just amazing to know that we are in the kitchen. In the kitchen this Christmas, guys. We're gonna give you everything what you can think of. We're gonna pile it up. So anyway, today we're gonna show you how you can do yourself a nice, lovely, after Christmas dinner and everyone sit around the table, they wanna eat a piece of gammon, a smoked gammon. This is the way you can do it inside of the oven, guys. And basically, I just went to the shop and I brought a nice, lovely piece of a gammon. And I said to myself, I will show the fans how to do this after Christmas dinner. You can have some nice, lovely gammon. Gas mark 7 and 25 minutes inside of the oven, and it is smoked gammon. Hopefully you will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Merry Christmas one more time from Chef Ricardo. Remember, we always have a recipe for you right straight through the hair. Bless up, love, even for 26. Nice and lovely. So right here, guys, I have a nice, lovely a piece of a gammon, which I'm gonna show you how to get it ready and nice. Really nice piece. So hopefully you guys will love it. Health and safety, I make sure to put on my gloves and my hand. I like to use my gloves anytime I'm doing gammon and meat and all these things, guys. So look at that lovely piece of gammon, and it is smoked gammon, really nice. So basically what we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna pop. Hold on the first, guys. There's a piece of a paper around it need to come off. You need to take off this piece just to make you guys know. If you buy meat and you see this, you need to take it off. You need to remove it off the meat. Alright? So let's make you guys know exactly what's going on inside of it. The next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop some olive oil. Olive oil is a must around it. Really nice. Alright? I got a few pieces of cove right here. A simple pop a piece of cove down inside of it like this. Nice and lovely. Second thing, I got some season, like some nice lovely spring onion, thyme and garlic bits and pieces, carrot. So as you can see, that everything right there. Looking lovely and nice. Basically we're gonna just put on a little pinch of gammon season and some paprika, a teaspoon of paprika. Nice and lovely. Basically we're gonna put a little bit of coarse pepper, not too much. I got a few more pieces of clove of garlic, clove right here, a few more pieces. Lovely and nice. So basically that's what we're gonna do it. Put this one side, so we have the clove inside of it, and also we're gonna put a piece of garlic down inside of it just to give it some flavor, you know. Put this one side. All of these just simple marinate is like this. Then what we're gonna do next is, this is the oven tray which we're gonna use. So simple. Pop all of those seasoning underneath the bottom like that. Simple. Rest it like this on it, just like that, guys. Beautiful and nice. Some on top of it. Lovely. And then next thing we're gonna show you what you're gonna do next. Look at this now, guys. After you do all of those seasoning and everything, what you're gonna do, pop a little bit of water, roughly about half cup of water. Nice and lovely. So basically we're gonna put this inside of the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Gas mark 6 or 7 is good for that. Alright, guys, so hopefully you will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. As you can see, nice lovely piece of gammon. We're gonna finish it off inside of the oven, give it a lovely flavor, lovely taste. I didn't need to have any salt because this is smoked gammon. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. Just look at that, beautiful and really nice. Oh man, this is just fantastic, guys. Nice, lovely piece of a gammon right here. This is, you know what I mean, all you need to do is just carve it now. And I want to simply say to you, this piece right here is the bone. You hear that? So as you can see, looking lovely and nice, so you don't want to overcook it too much. So basically, this is perfect, guys. Lovely and nice. Simple. Looking lovely. So that's when you finish your Sunday, your Christmas dinner. You know what I mean? You want to have a slice, a piece of gammon. You can have that with a piece of bread or something. So this is after Christmas dinner, guys. Right here. That's lovely and nice. Gammon. Most Jamaican would put pineapple and stuff around it, or cherry, but we're not gonna do that today. This is just a like smoked gammon where you can simply have a slice when you finish your Christmas dinner. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.